Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will discuss about how to fix we restrict certain activity on the Instagram. So if you are facing this error on your Instagram application, you have to follow these steps. First of all, you have to disable your VPN. If you are using any of the VPNs, simply disable the VPN and try to open your Instagram. If it's still not working, simply delete your Instagram application and reinstall your Instagram application. Moreover, you can stop any suspicious or automated activity if you are using any bots, or you are sending too many requests on the Instagram, or you are spamming in the inbox. Stop doing that. So these are the few steps you have to follow if you want to fix very certain activity on the Instagram in 2024. So these are the ways. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.